Hello, good afternoon. There's some wet and very windy weather to come for most of us this afternoon, and it's been stormy in Cyprus recently too. There's been more than 5 inches of rain in the last 3 days or so. It looks like it's going to stay stormy on Friday too, before those showers become confined to more southern parts of the Mediterranean on Saturday. Back home, and there was some unsettled weather yesterday. You can see the cloud here on the satellite picture moving away. The next batch of cloud moving in from the west. This is our next area of low pressure. Now you can see tightly packed isobars around it. It looks like we'll all see a spell of wet and windy weather through this afternoon and evening. But the highest risk of disruption is in the west, particularly across Northern Ireland and parts of West Wales. And let me just zoom in on the Irish Sea and around Wales, and you can see some large arrows here coming from the south or southeast. That wind, gale or severe gale in places, very gusty too, particularly around the Llyn Peninsula and down towards Pembrokeshire. But let me just head back in time for a moment, back to 1954. That's the year of our first ever live TV broadcast, weather broadcast. And in that month, at the end of November, we saw a gust of wind as high as 115 miles an hour in Pembrokeshire. Now, it's not going to be that windy this afternoon, but we are expecting winds to gust around 70 miles an hour across parts of Northern Ireland and Wales. Some really dangerous driving conditions, particularly when you add that wind to some heavy rain. So we saw one batch of rain moving away through the night last night, and we're now watching the next batch of cloud and rain pushing in from the west. It's cloudy in many areas now, and we've got the rain now in the west, and that's expected to push eastwards through the rest of today, getting to most of us by this evening. Our temperatures will reach around 10 to 12 degrees Celsius. It won't feel that mild though because of the cloud, the wind and the rain. Now tonight, one batch of rain is expected to push towards the northeast, but that's not the last we see of the wet weather. More rain is expected to move in from the southwest later on. But with the cloud, the wind and the rain, it's going to be a very mild night. Temperatures in most places not getting below double figures. And tomorrow looks set to start rather cloudy with showers or longer spells of rain. In many areas it should brighten up through the afternoon though, with just a scattering of showers. But the southeast could well stay wet right the way through the day. And then on Saturday, we're looking ahead to a mixture of sunny spells and showers. The most heavy and prolonged showers will be in more northwestern areas. Then on Sunday, sunshine and showers again before the next batch of wet and windy weather pushes up from the south later on. That's the forecast. Good afternoon.